Now today, in lesson 2.4, we're going to make arrays to find totals, which is kind of, I think, the opposite of what we did yesterday. Let's see what he does, Mr. Robot.
Jackson's garden has 2 rows with 4 carrots in each row. How many carrots are in his garden? You can make an array to show the problem. How do you know this is an array?
How do you know that's an array? Do the rows and the columns have the same number? Each row has the same number? Each row has the same number, right? Each row has 4. Each column has the same number. Each column has 2. There's no extra carrots hanging around anywhere. It's an even number, right? So it's an array.
This is an array since there are equal rows and equal columns. There are 2 rows in the array because there are 2 rows of carrots in Jackson's garden. There are 4 columns in the array because there are 4 carrots in each row of Jackson's garden. Use repeated addition to find out how many carrots are in Jackson's garden.
Repeated addition means adding the same number over and over.
You can add the number of carrots in each row. What equation shows the total based on how many carrots are in each row?
Select your answer.
Well, we do have 2's here, but I don't think we just have 2 plus 2. We'd have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So I don't think that can be right. 4 plus 4. Well, we have 4 here and 4 there. So this one looks right to me. 4 plus 4 equals 8.
The equation 4 plus 4 equals 8 shows the total based on the number in each row of the array. The addend is 4 because that is the number of carrots in each row of the garden. You add 4 plus 4 because there are 2 rows with 4 carrots in each row in the garden. It is repeated addition because you are adding the same number, 4. You can also add the number of carrots in each column. What equation shows the total based on how many carrots are in each column? The equation 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8 shows the total based on the number in each column of the array. You can use repeated addition to find the total in an array based on either rows or columns. Both equations have the same sum. How many carrots does Jackson have in all? Jackson has 8 carrots in all.
Okay. So let's find lesson 2.4. No, I didn't want to do that. I want to do this. Rusty places his toy trucks in 4 columns. Okay, well, we know columns go up and down. We know we're going to have 4 of them. So let's make 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. He puts 3 trucks in each column. I don't know that trucks, but we'd be here all day. So I'm going to make X's for trucks. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, 3 in the third column. You should be drawing this in your box. 3 in the fourth column. How many trucks does Rusty have in all? So you have to write an equation over here. So we know there's 3, 3, 3, 3, right? 3 plus 3, that's the first 2 columns, plus 3 plus 3, there's the last two columns, equals, have you figured it out already? Double fact, children? What's 3 plus 3? That's 6, right? What's 3 plus 3? Another 6. What's 6 plus 6? 12 trucks in all. All right. Let's go down to the next page here. Very similar to what you were doing yesterday, but it sounds like you're going to be trying to draw out the arrays by whatever it says they have in them, okay? Try this too. I want to see how you do with this one. So these are more story problems, folks, so make sure you're reading carefully, looking for keywords like column or row, and how many they have in each row, and you have space here to draw out your array. Don't try to draw what it's saying. You do what I did and use X's or circles or something simple to draw, and then solve your problems. Then you're going to go to Quick Check 2.4 and do it. And then in your array packet, I want you to do this page. This page now says to color the equations or the addition statement that describes the array. On some of them, you're going to end up coloring both addition problems, and on some just one. So you're going to have to really pay attention and think about columns and rows and how many are in each. And then that's all you're going to do today, just that one page. Okay, this one. All right. It's to